In this video, I'm going to show you how to add a payment to a bill in Wave. Begin by navigating to your Wave dashboard. From the left-hand side menu, click on Purchases to expand the menu, then select Bills. This will bring you to the Bills section, where you can see all of your current bills along with basic information about each. Locate the bill to which you want to apply a payment, hover over it, and at the far right, you will see the Record a Payment option. Click on this to proceed. Once you are in the payment window, you will see the amount and currency of the bill displayed. Begin by selecting the payment method from the drop-down menu. Options include cash, check, PayPal, bank transfer, or other payment types. Next, set the payment date. By default, Wave will suggest yesterday's date, but you can adjust this as needed. After that, select the payment account from which the funds were drawn. This account will be reflected in your transactions. If the bill's currency differs from the account currency, Wave will show the exchange rate and account currency, and the amount will be adjusted accordingly. Additionally, you have the option to add notes for reference. Once all the information is complete, click Save. Your bill will now display a paid label, and the payment will be recorded in your transactions. To verify, click on Accounting in the left-hand menu and select Transactions. Here, you will see the new transaction reflecting the payment you just recorded. And this is how you can add a payment to a bill in Wave